Michigan Sugar is a beet sugar producer, and they basically replaced their drum cooler back in 2016 and installed one of our cooling systems in 2017. So what they're essentially doing is taking granulated sugar and cooling it down to a suitable temperature where it can go into bags or a silo where it won't cake in storage. They were looking for a system that provided low maintenance and basically guaranteed product quality. There's a lot of maintenance issues using a drum, so they like the simplicity of this system. Kind of a system that you start up and walk away from. We have quite a few installations in Europe for sugar over the past 20 years. The North American market is one that we're trying to branch out in more and raise awareness for our type of technology, considering a lot of companies are looking for more energy-friendly ways to cool their product.